croeso chi gyd yma. It's great to be able to say that we are at Plaid Cymru territory here, since we are in my ward, which is Pontypridd Town Council for RCT Council.
Friends, we're here tonight to launch something really exciting.
We know that Wales has been left behind and forgotten by Westminster. I want to go to Westminster with other Plaid Cymru MPs to fight for a fairer funding system for Wales, so that we can finally invest in our communities, invest in the infrastructure that our communities are crying out for, and change the material lives, everyday lives of people in our communities. That's what I promise to go to Westminster and do.
I was born and raised in Ymgyrch, and I've lived in Pontypridd for most of my life. I went to school there, and to youth group in Etholiad and at Lansiad.
Mae di bod yn wythnos anhygoel cyntaf o'r ymgyrch. Ni pobl di bod yn cysylltu â ni, yn gofyn I ni os maen nhw'n dod mas I ymgyrchu. We're doing this because we know that Plaid Cymru's vision is one that will materially make people's lives better.
A dyna pam dwi mor falch o weld pobl fel Delys yn Senedd ni, bod ni'n gweld pobl fel Fflir Elin yn sefyll, a pobl yn dechrau credu bod Plaid Cymru yn medru ennill, a bod pleidlais I Blaid Cymru yn cyfri.
I'm voting Plaid Cymru in 2019 because I genuinely believe that they will fight for Wales. We're left behind by the other political parties. It's all about London, and we're an afterthought.
And the only way to change that is to vote something new, vote for someone new, vote for a new party, vote for someone who's really going to deliver change for the local community.
So Fflir is a fantastic candidate. She's really got that fire in her, and she will be someone who will fight for the needs of her community in Westminster. She will be a determined, bright, earnest and inspiring champion for this town and the whole area. If you want change, you have to vote for change. And that change is what Plaid Cymru represents in this election.